Ready?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Did you know that you can also write the date like this? 04/16/2020 and 04/16/20. Wow. So a celebration in April 22nd is Earth Day. We're going to put a link at the end where you can find some fun Earth Day activities. We miss you all so much.
Miss you. All right, so we're going to do a short math activity. We're going to learn a little bit about graphs. Did you guys know that calendars are graphs? We are going to draw our own calendar and we're going to keep the date. Let's see, how many squares do you need to draw across and down? Let's figure it out together.
So let's count our rows and our columns and make a multiplication equation to find out how many squares you need to make your own calendar. Remember that rows go from left to right or right to left. So let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And so columns go up and down. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. What's 5 times 7? I'm gonna have to think about that one.
Should we skip count?
Let's skip count.
I'm ready.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Ooh.
So you need 35 squares to make your own calendar.
All right, let's talk about responsibility.
What's up, everyone? Kel's here to talk about the pledge skill of September. We're talking about be responsible. So what's responsibility look like? For the younger ones, that might be cleaning your room. For the older ones, it might look like taking out the trash or acting the way you're supposed to be when your parents aren't looking. Being responsible is doing what you need to do before what you want to do. So doing the right thing at the right time. For the most part, you know how you should be acting. Being responsible is about making the right decision, even if it's not the fun one to do at the time.
Okay, and you can watch a book video on Bookflix. I recommend Do Unto Otters by Lori Keller. It's a great book about doing what you're supposed to do and kind of goes along with our being responsible theme. Mr. Goddard posted a great video on how you can reach and use Bookflix on limitless libraries, and it's a free resource you can use to read as many books as you want.
Awesome.
All your teachers love and miss you. Check out Cumberland on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. And it is at Cumberland MNPS. Make sure you tag us in anything you do and come like all our videos and pictures. We miss you.
Miss you.
Miss you.